Watch this.
I never knew I could be so happy. I never knew I'd be so secure. Because of your love, life has brand new meaning.
It's gonna be.
It's gonna be a party day, party day.
Come on, everybody, clap like this. Clap like this. Sir.
Never thought that I would smile again. I never thought the dark clouds would end. Never thought that I could have a friend that would keep me, never leave me alone. She's a star, everything. The only one that makes my heart sing now. No real peace. Everlasting.
And I kind of blacked out the hat because to me, God is very similar to photography in the sense that in our darkest hours, sometimes we can't see the light. And with photos, without light, we don't have a photo, right? So I believe in God, and sometimes you just got to believe and keep going. So